Now we will discuss what are the types of research is here. Though it is not wise to discuss a lot about the types of research. When we are progressing, we will see what are the categories of research. Let's discuss a little bit about the types of research. So I have collected from the this University of Sri Lanka, and this is also available. And let me explain. So if we want to divide the research, we have to consider different perspective or different views. If we see that from the application view, the research may be categorized into two: pure research and applied research. As I already mentioned that developing a new theory, new algorithm, new process, something new is called pure research, like Einstein theory or Newton's theory, Newton's contribution, or I already mentioned the Dijkstra algorithm. So the first, what is the new pure research is that the theoretical research, and the applied research is using the theory we are applying in some specific area to get some results or explanation like this. There is genetically modified food hurting health? So we have to test this one. That is, we have to select few peoples, then we have to provide them genetically modified food, and we have to check whether it is hurting or not. This way we can do the applied research. And what can be done to increase the amount of graduating high school students choosing attend college? There is there is a reason that many students are dropping from the school. What to do to increase the number of students to attend the college? So again, it will be need some groundwork, experiment or survey. What to do? This is called applied research. And from the information, type of information we are looking for from the research, it can be divided into two. We can say three. One is quantitative, another is qualitative, and we can say the mixed mood. There is a new invent of this research, mixed mood. It's also very popular nowadays. So from the name suggests the quantitative research. So quantitative research is that from that research we want a number, we want a percentage, we want a quantity. Like just for example, the school dropout rate in the village and city. Okay, just for example, can you share me school dropout rate city is higher than the village, or the school dropout rate city is higher than the the village is higher than the city, or city is higher than the village? Which one? Can you tell me directly? School dropout rate, which one, where it is large? In village or city?
In village, it's large, but it depends on the location.
Depends on location. So
it is higher in the village.
Okay, it is higher in the village. If I search the result from the research, that how percentage it is larger dropout rate in village than city. Okay, I seek for the percentage. Am I right? Okay, so then it will be quantitative research. I seek the But if I ask you why school dropout rate is larger in village than city, why? Here I don't want any percentage. I want the explanation. That is why it is going on there. I wanted to know the cause. I wanted to know what is the reason. So then it is called qualitative research. Can you tell me directly why school dropout rate in village is high? Let's consider it is high in village. Why? Why? I already told you that I will give example from different discipline. This is example from education and sociology discipline. Am I right? Okay. So can you tell me why school dropout rate in village is high now? Yeah.
Because
in village,
Please, when you hear someone is talking, stop and hear others. Okay, then again start talking. Okay, am I right? Okay. Please, who is talking first? The male one. You can continue. Yeah.
In village, early marriage is the key, and poverty is another very specific and contributing reason.
Yeah. First one, what do you mention? The second one, poverty. First one, what do you mention? First one?
early marriage.
Early marriage. Okay, next.
Early marriage, then poverty, then lack of consciousness among the guardians.
Okay, good.
That's all. And there are many other contributing
Maybe,
factors.
we don't know. Yes. Another who is wanted to share other ideas? Yeah, can continue. One female student was trying to share something. Are you there?
In village, way of teaching is not appropriate and interesting.
Yeah. Okay. So I will not approve your result, or I will not deny your results. Okay, your opinion. It might be. Okay. So if I analyze the reason, okay, there is okay in the village, students are more addictive to. They are more addictive to drugs or other denied or illegal materials, or they're in unfair relationships. Okay, as a result, early marriage. Maybe that are the results. So why when we are searching for the explanation, we call it qualitative, and when one research results in number as well as explanation, it is called mixed mode. Am I right? Okay, clear? From two perspective, information we want from the research, qualitative, quantitative, and mixed mode, and from the application side, pure or applied. And also there are some categories based on objective, like as I want to explore something, or I want to describe something, like what are the genome sequence of the COVID-19. I want to explore or describe this one. Okay, why this is happening? Okay, which is first, egg or hen? Can you tell? Okay, explanatory or correlation. Let's you'll thought that this is not an interesting topic. Let me show you. Which one is first, egg or hen? What do you believe? Which one? In Bengali, you can say murgi age na dim age. Which one is first? Can you tell me? Huh?
Murgi maybe.
And this is a topic. This is a topic of research. Do you believe me? Which one is first? This is not related to science. Maybe I don't know. But just see. I search on in Google Scholar, egg or hen. Which one is first? There are so many researches. 139 related to this. So I'm saying that if you want to explore something or you should know something, so this can be a part of research. Am I right? So this way we can categorize research on other categories. You can show it later or explain from. I don't want to explain more. And there are also other categories proposed by other researchers, like this type of research methodologies. Qualitative research can be again categorized into content analysis, historical, ethnographic, narrative, phenomenological, grounded theory is there, case study, and quantitative research can be again categorized into experimental, quasi-experimental. Experimental, we want to learn the specific accuracy or measurement. Quasi-experimental, maybe mix of some part is experimental, some part we do survey like this. It is not fully experimental. Then somewhere we study one subject, another we study more subject and want to show the correlation with them. And then also casual comparative is there, survey is there, and there is a new research categorization which is called action research. Okay, so research by practitioners or doing something and find the results. So there are at the very beginning, if I explain more about this, everything will be more complex. So I will suggest you, if you are from science or engineering background, you will need this one. And if you need for the story, arts, or other department, you will need this one. And then if you're for chemistry, physics, biology like this, you need this one. And also the education research, which is more correlated to education sector. This is the action research you can do. And also the social science and education sector, they use the survey. So there is a full representation. You can explore this later, inshallah.